Hello everyone, welcome back to Manual Tutorials. Hope you all are doing well. Today we'll be seeing a doubt which was asked by one of the students in our comment section. If you also would like any doubt which you have or concepts which you would like to be taught in Manual Tutorials, you could mention them in the comment section. So let's start. This is related to orthogonality of signals in signals and systems. Let's see the question. It is show that if two functions f1 of t and f2 of t are orthogonal over an integral t1 and t2, then energy of signal f1 of t plus f2 of t is equal to sum of energies of f1 of t and f2 of t. So you have to prove that energy of this signal is equal to the sum of the energies of each of the signals f1 of t and f2 of t. Now we know that the condition for orthogonality of two functions is integral of the two functions, that is the multiplication of the two functions, should be equal to 0. So integral of f1 of t into f2 of t dt is equal to 0. And we know that energy of a signal is given by f square of t dt over the time duration. So integral of this signal, the square of the signal, will give us the energy of the signal over the time duration given. So integral of f1 of t plus f2 of t the whole square dt will be the energy of this signal. So when we expand it using this formula a plus b the whole square, it is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here it will be f1 square t plus f2 square t plus 2 f1 of t into f2 of t. Now we can separate the integrals. So every function will be separated into a different integral. So it will be integration of f1 square of t dt plus f2 square of t dt, the integral, plus integration of 2 f1 of t into f2 of t dt. Now above we have already said that the condition of orthogonality is integral of f1 of t into f2 of t dt is equal to 0. And they have already mentioned in the question that both these functions or signals are orthogonal. So we can say that this third integral will be 0. The value of this integral is going to be 0. So finally the energy of this signal will be integral of f1 square t dt plus integration of f2 square of t dt. So this is what we have got. Now let's find out the energy of f1 of t separately, f2 of t separately, and then the sum of those signals. So energy of f1 of t, as you know, will be integration of f1 square t dt over the whole time duration t. Similarly, energy of f2 of t will be integration f2 square of t dt over the whole time duration. So the sum of the energies will be the summation of these two integration. So it will be integration of f1 square of t dt plus integration f2 square of t dt. So now what we can see is that the value of sum of energies is equal to the energy of the signal f1 of t plus f2 square or f2 of t dt. So what we can conclude that the energy of signal f1 of t plus f2 of t is equal to sum of energies of f1 of t and f2 of t. So this is proof. If you have any doubts related to this or any other concept, you could mention it below, or you can also send it to edututorials252@gmail.com. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials for more. Thank you.